Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can delete your Tinder account at the smartphone. Okay, for that you have to open the app first, of course, and if you're in the app you need to look for this little guy here. So the mannequin, just tap on it. Then you're on your profile and now we will need settings. So just tap on the symbol for the settings. And now you need to scroll down to the very last point, delete account. So now you have the chance to pause your account. So that means that they're no more visible, but you can come back at any time, or delete it completely. Just tap here on delete my account. Now they want to have a reason why and so on and so on. So choose anyone. And then you can submit a feedback if you want. That's too much, so just go and skip here. And now he's asking you again, if you're pretty sure what you're doing, you can delete your account or you can just pause it. Just go and delete my account. And yeah, your account is deleted. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with that. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.